She kinda bad though.
Damn!
Well done! Your ability to walk short distances without dying will be Handsome Jack's downfall.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Nigga.
Let's go!
This place is run by a bandit named Captain Flint. The church kept me as a torture plaything for a few months. We played games like Dodge the Blowtorch and Don't Get Dunked into the...
Acid! I was really
What's
good at
this?
the first one.
Attention, people of Pandora.
Oh, let's break it down!
Anything type beat on the beat, bitch. Who the fuck is calling me?
Heroes never die.
Anything type beats on the beat, bitch.
Just fucking shoot me, please! Man, fuck this shit. Oh shit. Here we go again.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Ah, bro.
Fuck them Grove Street fools.
Water, nigga.
In the motherfucking suburbs with it. Hey, yo, Terry, fuck going on?
Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
I'll be honest, I ain't got a license.
Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street. Landed the heinous gangbangers in cold heat. In Los Santos.
What kind of license you got? A fishing license?
Competing, even police. Fold deep in the green
Shit,
bag.
CJ, shit.
With the flag on the strap, that's OG.
My car! My fucking car!
Super cutter, big and buff, nice and straight. You got stats, respect, weapon, skill, stamina.
That shit was tight.
Tight. Man, that shit was shit.
I made it, CJ. I'm a success. I can't be touched. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the whole world.
What happened to you, man?
Man, what the fuck do you care? I guess we better do this shit then. Come here, boy!
Bruh.
When I'm gone, everyone gonna remember my name. Big Smoke.
Is this nigga serious?
I can assure you this is a mistake. You're throwing your career away. We burning, fool! CJ! Help me! Call me a lawyer!
Hey,